Unfolding the secrets of napkins in dining etiquette. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about an important but often overlooked part of table setting: the napkin. Napkins play a crucial role in meals and mealtimes, not just for cleanliness, but also as a part of dining etiquette. We're going to explore different aspects of napkins, including their purpose, types, and how to use them properly. A napkin is a piece of cloth or paper used at the table for wiping the mouth and fingers while eating. It is an essential part of any dining setup. Napkins come in various sizes and styles, and they can be used for a variety of purposes during meals. There are two primary types of napkins: cloth napkins and paper napkins. Cloth napkins are generally used in more formal dining settings, like fancy restaurants or formal dinner parties. They are usually larger and more durable. On the other hand, paper napkins are often used in casual dining environments such as fast food restaurants or informal gatherings. They are disposable and typically smaller. Now, let's talk about the proper way to use napkins. It's not just about wiping your mouth. There's etiquette involved. 1. Placement. When you sit down, the napkin should be on your lap. If it's a large cloth napkin, you can fold it in half. 2. During the meal, use the napkin to gently dab your mouth as needed. Remember not to wipe your face or blow your nose with the dining napkin. 3. Leaving the table temporarily. If you need to excuse yourself during the meal, place the napkin tidily on your chair. This signals that you will be returning. 4. End of the meal. At the end of the meal, lightly fold the napkin and place it to the left of your plate. Don't refold it completely, just make it look tidy. This indicates that you have finished eating. So there you have it, the interesting world of napkins and their role in meals and mealtimes. Remember, the napkin is not just a tool for cleanliness. It's also a symbol of etiquette and respect for others at the dining table. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey of English language learning and understanding the culture behind it. Happy dining, and remember, keep it tidy with the napkin.